First and foremost, good evening, each and everyone who are watching my video. This is Silas Corey standing in front of you to deliver a speech on importance of English. What is English? English is a medium to talk and communicate each other. This is a language like Hindi, Urdu, Tamil, English. Many of the languages are there. This is a medium. Why it's famous in India? This is a famous for India because many of people think who know English. This is a very well-known, educated person. That's why it is a important language in India. We when we talked in internationally because my work in US client, I want to close my US client. That is why I want to learn English. It is for important for me because I want to write a book in English and I want to read a book in English. That is why I am learning this language. This is a beautiful language because I want to know about this language. That is why I am learning this video, this language. English is an international language we all tell about. There are many languages we don't about know because and they are China. Uh, they use Chinese language that not learning. And the French they are spoken most of the person of France. They spoke France. Germany they they in the Germany they are speak Germany language. We don't talk. Why it's English? Because English is a international language because it is a powerful language. We are also want to know it's only a language medium. Don't insulting who know who are unable to speak in English and any other language because they are expert their own language like Hindi who are speaking in Hindi. They are speaking. This is the only medium. This is a not a knowledge. Knowledge we can get in every language. That's a different kind of thing, but people can't understand that. This is the only medium Hindi, English language. We don't bother anywhere about it. It is just a language. How to explain that? This is a famous language. I know about that. What is a powerful? Its language is used. It nowadays most of the company only prefer in English because they have a international client. They run global, globally globally globally. That's why uh, it's just a language only. When we spoke in Hindi, we are proudly talking in Hindi. I also want to improve my Hindi also. We have want to increase our vocabulary Hindi in. I like Kumar Biswas, how he is present in Hindi. I love many of the Kavi in Urdu, Kavi also. What a great language, Urdu, Sanskrit. How Gol Gopal Das speak in Sanskrit also. Every language have an important role, important value of. We are proud. We are own language. We are proud of our mother language also. English is an important language as well as nowadays because it is a globally language. Yeah, that's why only. Thank you. This much only. Now I would end my speech. Thank you being with me and listen me.